Get yourself to the Devoted Women's Prayer Breakfast on the 17th of March, where you can fellowship and have breakfast with everyone. If you want your tickets, they're £3 and God Speak to Ingrid, and just women, no men. If you are planning on helping, if you're a man, please God Speak to Ingrid too.
This Friday's United Praise at 180 Youth. Everyone is welcome. It's our great Pastor Deck speaking.
On Saturday the 24th of February there's going to be a pop-up boutique here in the People's Centre. It's going to be open from 10 until 4 and entry will cost you just £3. Now there's going to be loads of things on sale. There's going to be ladies accessories and clothes, men's accessories and clothes, things for children and babies and crockery household items as well. So you can come along and get yourself a bargain. Everything's priced at just £2 and your £3 entry fee includes refreshments as well. Now Rachel David, who is the director of WOW, is going to be there and she's going to be giving talks about the charity throughout the day. So come along, encourage them, support them, buy some stuff. If you've got anything you want to donate, then please speak to Bella, and if you are interested in helping to run the boutique or to set up the boutique, please speak to Bella as well. That's the 24th of February from 10 until 4.
Light, glorious light, I will go where you shine, break the dawn, crack the skies.
On the 1st of April, Easter Sunday, there's a baptismal service. If you count yourself as a follower of Jesus but have not been baptised yet, come speak to Deck.
Late night worship is coming up this half term. However, instead of being on a Sunday night, this half term it's on Friday the 23rd of February. If you want to come, at 7 p.m there will be pizza. However, if you want to come to that, you'll have to speak to Will. Late night worship officially starts at 8 p.m. and finishes at 9:30 p.m. It is a chance to grow your relationship with God in a nice, relaxed environment.
Remember to use our website for all the latest information about what's coming up here at Excel Church, and you can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram for all the really up-to-date stuff. So that's everything for Excel News. We hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for some more.